solution. You are the coaches.
Yeah. And that's our job. Did you think that a football coach is easy job? If it was easy, anyone can make the job. And any team can score and any team can win. That's the difficulty in football, guys. How you build team that he can defend, they can't concede goal, and then you make player to score and to create opportunity to score. For us as the coach, the most important thing that the performance of the team. When you perform and you create opportunity and there is model game clear, that's our job. But after it's a lot of thinking side. If it is like you said, like that is our job, so it's more easy like that. Anyone can make the job.
But you need to provide the solution.
The solution is to continue to work in the training session. How you can? If you have another solution, advise us.
We'll give it right then, let's go speed up.
There is another solution. What we can do?
Find out goals.
How we can? If you create opportunity and you miss a chance, what we can do?
Is that an advantage or disadvantage for yourselves in hoping to challenge for the title?
To be honest, this season you feel that the level of the different team is so close. Before you feel big difference between some teams and other teams, but now you see, even in the cup game, you see that some people they think it's surprise, but for me it wasn't surprise because the level of the teams is so close. Little bit Sundowns with the experience last few years that they was always winning the league, so they have more experience than the other team. But depending on the experience, I think all the teams they have the same chance to win the PSL, and we have to continue to fight each one for the competition. It's long way. It's 15 games. It can happen a lot of things inside. Sundowns they have also the Champions League. Us and Orlando will play only for the PSL now, and I hope that in the end of the season we'll be lucky to be in the top.
Yes.